3/5 cups Siphon Coffee Maker. Premium glass brewing teaware. Experience the art of coffee brewing with this elegant Siphon Coffee Maker, designed for true coffee enthusiasts. Crafted from high-quality, heat-resistant glass, this coffee pot ensures durability and a clear view of the mesmerizing brewing process. Ideal for 3 to 5 cups, it's perfect for home use, cafes, or small gatherings, allowing you to enjoy rich, aromatic coffee with every brew. Its classic vacuum brewing system extracts maximum flavor and aroma, giving you a smooth, full-bodied cup every time. Easy to assemble and clean, this Siphon Coffee Maker is both a functional tool and a stylish centerpiece for your kitchen or coffee bar.